Brian Sensei here. Have you ever seen those viral AI baby videos on the internet? Like this one?
Baila solito, move like that, baila solito, break the floor, bring it back.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own AI generated baby video using an app called Dreamface. At the time of making this video, Dreamface is free to use. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up our favorite internet browser and head on over to dreamfaceapp.com. You'll find a link in the description below. All right, once you're here, you click Start Now and create a free account. All right, once you're logged in, you'll be taken here to the home screen, and you're going to want to look for Act. You'll also find it up here under Home, and in the first column here, we find Act. Make avatars perform expressive actions by syncing motion to your script. All right, let's click into this. Now, the way this works is you first upload or choose a reference video, and then you add your own character image to swap it with. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose a template. As you can see, there's a variety of templates showing here. However, if you click the templates option here, you're going to see everything. All right, so in here, you can choose an existing video clip of a baby or toddler to utilize as your reference video. And so as you can see, there are quite a few within this list. And so we can scroll through and find something fun. Oh, this looks hilarious.
Baila solito, move like that, baila solito.
I'll select it and confirm. And now I'm going to upload an image for the character I'd like to use. I'm going to upload from local. And here I have a photo of a toddler I'd like to use. I'll go ahead and open that. Okay, so now we have the reference video and the image of the toddler we'd like in the clip. Now notice we're going to swap the avatar in video, but you also have the option of adding the motion to your uploaded photo. And then we have advanced. Here you'll notice that your output is going to be 480p. If you decide to get the pro version of Dreamface, you can get 720p quality. All right, now all I have to do is click Create. All right, and here we see the video is generating. So at this point, I can take a break and come back when it's ready to view. Okay, looks like it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and click into it.
Baila solito, move like that, baila solito, break the floor, bring it back, baila solito, everybody in the place go mad.
Ha ha ha! That is hilarious. I love it. Okay, over on the right, you have the option to download this, or you can redo it if you'd like to get a second opinion. All right, I'm going to close this one out, and this time we're going to do it again, but I'm actually going to use a process where I can have the toddler speak a script that I provide. This time I'm going to create my image first, so I'm going to go back up here to Home, and I can create an AI image right here. Okay, down here in the field, I can describe the type of image I want. A female toddler dressed as a rock and roll musician. She is playing an electric guitar. Create. All right, at this point, the AI is going to generate 4 options for me to choose from. All right, and here we go. We've got our 4 options right here. These all look fantastic. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Now notice when I mouse over the image, I have options right here. Lip Sync Pro, Create Video, image to image, etc. What I want to do is turn this into a short video. So I'll click here. All right, and down here you'll see the reference video is there, and I'll type in my directions. The toddler is playing guitar and dancing gently. Down here we're going to go to our setting, and here we have an option of the duration. We can bump it all the way up to 15 seconds. I'm going to go with 10. We also have a resolution option. I'll stick with 480p and click Create. All right, and this will take a moment for the video to generate, so feel free to get up and stretch and come back when it's ready.
A few moments later.
All right, it looks like the video is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. All right, not too shabby. Pretty good for a little toddler. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and download this. And I'll rename it and save. All right, and back on the home screen, I'm going to click up here on the home icon. And then this time, I'm going to go to Avatar Video. This will allow me to make my video clip speak my own personal script. All right, so I'm gonna go to Photos, Videos here. And this time I'm going to upload that video clip. And then over on the right, I'm going to provide the text that I would like the character in the video to speak. Join Brian's School of Rock today so you can become a rock star at any age. Down at the bottom, I'm going to choose the voice. So we can click into here. And you'll notice that we have voices we can filter. I can get to a female voice, male, or child. In this case, I want to go with a child. And I can preview them.
Welcome to Dream Ash.
Welcome to Dreamface.
Welcome to Dreamface.
I think I like the Judy baby. I'm going to go ahead and select
Welcome
this
to
one.
Dreamface.
And confirm. All right. Down here we have resolution. We can choose 720p or 1080, although 1080 would require the premium account. I'll stick with 720. And generate. And once again, the video will take some time to generate.
A few moments later.
All right, it looks like it's ready to go. Let's take a look.
Join Brian's School of Rock today so you can become a rock star at any age.
And boom shakalaka, the School of Rock ad is ready to roll. Okay, over on the right, we have some options. Here we can rename it. And we can also do some things like lip sync, video enhance, face swap. Here we can download the video to store it, or we can redo if we want the AI to try again. All right, and that is how you can create baby and toddler viral videos using AI. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.